My intuition is...
Okay, so I am going to be making cupcake soaps. I do want to make it with actual like whipped like frosting soap in the future, but for now I just got this mold, so I just want to test it out. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do, you know, regular. So I just have my goat milk here that I've heated up, and I'm going to split it off, some for the top and then some for the base. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go with blue. I always use pink, so I'm gonna use the Stardust Micas in, oh, I forget which one this is. I'll put it in the description below. You know what? I think I'm also going to add some of this mermaid blue mica from Brambleberry. It's so pretty. Okay, so for fragrance oil, I'm going to use Cotton Candy by Brambleberry. I'm going to put that in both soaps. Alright, so now I'm going to pour the blue into the base mold. Okay, I guess where are we going to get two? Spray it with my 99% alcohol and just top. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the whipped cream. It looks like it's okay. Alright, so I'm going to let those dry and then we'll come back and we'll combine them. Okay, so I'm going to unmold the cupcake pieces. Here is the base. And oh, how cute. Here is the frosting. All right, so the way I'm going to combine them is first I'm going to take a bamboo skewer and I'm going to put some lines in it. And this is going to help the soap adhere to each other. And then I had some soap left over from another project. I'm going to take this and I'm gonna kind of put it in those lines. Okay. It's starting to get too thick. Shoot. I'm just gonna pour a little bit on it then. And we will let that sit. Here is what it looks like. How cute is that? Oh, we need some sort of glitter. Let's spray it with some glitter. This sprayer isn't working that well any these days. Yeah, so here is the completed cupcake. It is so cute. I can't even stand it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun cupcake soap tutorial.